Hey everybody, so I just wanted to respond directly in the video to some of the questions I've been getting about the thumbnails because I feel like if a couple people are asking them, then other people will want the answers as well. I thought perhaps it was clear in the video, but it may not be. And that's absolutely perfectly fine. Please always email me questions. Each assignment that you do is going to have a different number of thumbnails and sketches that you have to do. So for your first assignment, the Gestalt assignment that you have, you're actually going to be making one design. And that one design is going to have 3 Gestalt principles to it. Okay, so if you watch the video that I prepared, it kind of shows you, I believe, an example of that. So the final version is on a piece of Bristol, which is the really smooth, heavier paper that you have. And that on that piece of Bristol, there is going to be 3 designs. Each of the designs has its own set of thumbnails and sketches. All right, so as I explained in the thumbnail tutorial, thumbnails are not about quality, they are about quantity. Okay, so for the first project, you're going to end up doing 30 small thumbnails. And that sounds like a ton of thumbnails. But remember, a thumbnail should be the very first set, the very smallest of the thumbnails should be no longer than 30 seconds. So in reality, it's about the quantity. You want to spend the time to explore as many ideas as you can with the thumbnails because as you build towards your sketch, you want to eliminate ideas that aren't going to work. So in the first assignment, the first hand-drawn design, your final design will have 3 small designs, and each design will be a principle, whether it be closure, figuring ground, similarity, proximity, whatnot. So I have a final design. It's on a piece of Bristol. Boop, boop, boop. I'm trying to draw a rectangle, not very well. It's on a piece of Bristol. Okay, and then there's 1, 2, 3 designs. Each design on that final design, each design has its own set of thumbnails. Okay, so then you're developing each design individually through the thumbnail process, and then you're going to create a final sketch which will show how the 3 smaller designs will be arranged or composed in this larger rectangle. So I hope that helps. That final sketch, all of that is on the sketchbook paper, which is the dotted paper. Okay. Once you have your final sketch, you will then transfer that to the Bristol paper. Remember, when you transfer to the Bristol, that quality matters there. So in your thumbnails, quantity matters, but when you get to the final, it's all about quality. So be super conscious of how you use your materials to create that final design. You can use either the pens, the Micron pens, or the markers. Okay, please continue to email me questions. Great questions are coming through. Happy to answer them. Please sign up for a meeting with me, a personal one-on-one meeting. We'll have about 3 or 4 of them in the quarter, as I said. And so your first ones are coming up. The sign-up sheets are in the Pages section of your Canvas. Just click on the page, and it is an editable document, so you can edit the document and add your name next to a time slot that you can attend. Okay, thanks everybody.